Can't let you do that, Dave. Alright, here you go. Just point at it.
I can manage that much.
Let me see if I can move him rolling. Actually, this must be good. Down here.
It's a nice open area, and it's pretty. I mean, since it's a private park.
Yes, I know it's low light. Thank you.
That was cool.
Yeah, too bad I missed it. Why the hell is it so freaking
Dark.
no red? Wish it could record the way our eyes see it.
Yeah.
The only thing I've always hated. That's a lot better. It reads a little more like lightning. A little more.
Does it kind of mix them all together then?
It does, but
Sometimes it's
it's
blurry.
sort of like, imagine you're in a completely dark room and somebody runs by really quick with a flashlight.
It's just the residual of it, kind of.
Residual. I can't get the bolts themselves, but I can get the highlights of what they've hit.
Yeah.
So it's technically I'm taking a photograph of something our eyes don't even perceive.
Yeah.
It's a lie to a degree.
Have a shot.